see this one. It's called California Roll.
Wow, it looks amazing, Mother.
And look at this one, sweetie. It's called Unagi.
Wow, the eel looks amazing. Can we try making that next time?
You are doing well, little one. The water cleanses the spirit. This bamboo mat is for rolling. And this paddle is how we scoop the rice without crushing the grains.
See, you want to hold the paddle like this, gently supporting the rice?
Like this.
Almost. Let me help you just a little bit. There you go.
Easy, little one. Like this, with care. The fish tell
We need the fresh wasabi and this pickled ginger for the sushi.
They look perfect.
And a good quality soy sauce to finish.
Look at all these beautiful colors, sweetie.
Are you ready to start rolling?
It looks amazing, Mom. I can't wait.
That is the secret, my dear. The angle must be precise for the perfect cut.
The freshest catch of the day, prepared for your enjoyment.
Thank you, Master. It looks exquisite.
It is harder than it looks, little one, but we must have patience.
You did well, Mother. The Master seems pleased.
A fine effort indeed.
Mother. I placed the salmon just like you showed me.
Very good, my dear. Now gently adjust the seaweed on the maki roll.
Your technique has surpassed my expectations.
Thank you, Master. I learned from the best.
We are all very proud of you, my dear.
Just like that, gently roll it forward.
Thank you, Mother Cat.
I finished this row.
You did wonderfully, my love. It is our honor.
There you are. Careful with the plating.
One piece of nigiri, freshly made.
The flavors are perfectly balanced, Master Panda.
Thank you so much. It is an honor to serve you.
Yes, we worked very hard on the sushi.
You're doing wonderfully, little one. The kitchen is sparkling.
I finished the sushi paddle, Mother.
See? I told you it was magical, little one.
We can do this, little one. Together.
That's it, little one. Keep trying.
Feel that? It's all about the rhythm.
Not too hard, not too soft. Just right.
Excellent job holding that steady, little helper.
That's it. Keep the pressure even across the dough. Like this, Mama. Are we almost done yet?
Gently now, tuck it right over the butter.
Like this, Mama.
Exactly right. You are a natural baker.
One is patience and just the right heat.
Now the second fold requires even more precision, little one. See here? Feel the slight difference in resistance. That tells you where to adjust.
Now we let it rest. It sleeps.
1, 2, 3. Wow!
You're doing splendidly. Keep rolling from the wide end down.
Look, I made one just like yours.
That's wonderful, my dear.
Don't worry, Mother. I know what to do next time.
Look closely, little one. See how the butter escaped here instead of creating layers?
It's dense.
Precisely. The lamination failed because the dough was too warm.
Gently now, keep the layers distinct. Like this, Mother Cat. I'm being very careful with the butter.
See? Exactly 18 degrees. Perfect for the lamination.
Got it, Mom. Writing it down now.
So this is the young apprentice with the discerning palate. Tell me, what do you smell besides opportunity?
The lamination is quite exquisite. A near-perfect bake indeed.
Oh, thank you, Chef. We are so relieved.
You see here, the butter has escaped its layers. This indicates an issue with your lamination technique. Observe.
And here, my friends, is where true dedication to the craft.
Come, let me show you the full breadth of our passion. The art of true culinary excellence awaits you. It is all about the delicate dance of butter and dough, my young apprentices. Too warm, it melts. Too cold, it breaks. Feel the dough, my dear. It speaks to you. Just like that, a gentle push, a careful fold.
Temperature control is paramount. Each degree influences the butter's plasticity. Feel for that subtle resistance.
Magnificent, little one. The dough now trusts your touch.
Notice the precise distance between each croissant. This allows for even browning and a beautiful shape.
They're perfect.
Voilà! Magnifique, magnifique. The perfect lamination. Exactly as we hoped.
We did it, my little one. We truly did it.
Mama.
Voila! The heart of a true barista.
Incredible. How do you make it so perfect?
Ah, magnificent. Thank you, my dear.
Indeed. For your dedication, your talent, and your unwavering spirit. Congratulations.
Merci, monsieur. We couldn't have done it without you.
Now, with these skills, imagine perhaps your own little cafe.
Yes. A place where you're... Thank you, truly. You've taught us so much. We won't forget your kindness.
Go, create your dreams. We'll always be here.
This counter, it could be the perfect display.
And the oven, we can fit 2 more trays.
They're perfect. Just perfect.
We did it, Mama. Exactly like the bakery.
Freshly baked this morning.
Enjoy the best croissant in town.
Look at them. Such great to dreams achieved and the community that made their possible.
The croissant. They look amazing together, don't they? Go ahead, little one. See what secrets the spice holds.
It smells warm. Can I taste it, Mama?
Press down gently, just like that. See?
I did it, Mother. I finally...
Would you like to try? That's it. Gentle strokes. Now, the coriander. Perfect, little one. It's time, little one. The market awaits.
I'm ready, Mother. Let's go!
We humbly seek your wisdom, great Ganesha.
Welcome, little ones. The spice path is open to those with pure hearts. Keep the heat steady, little ones.
The saffron is exquisite, Ganesha.
Oh, this is wonderful.
Hey, watch the ears. It's wonderful, dear heart.
Thank you for having us. We hope you enjoyed the feast.
It was truly exquisite, Chef. Safe travels. Isn't this delicious, my love? Eat up!
It's so good, Mama. Did you try the spice on the side?
Everything in its place, just as my grandmother taught me. These herbs...
There we are, all ready for your first day.
I look just like you, Mama.
Can we make the hargao now?
There, darling. Feel the dough's resistance. It tells you where to guide your paw. Make sure the filling is right in the middle before we fold it.
It's harder than it looks. How do you keep it so neat?
Watch closely now as I pinch the edges.
We did it! The best batch yet!
I am very proud of you, my dear. They are beautiful.
See here, little one? The hargao master pleating technique.
18 precise folds.
It requires
Observe the rhythm, the gentle press, the precise fold. 8 in time, like the petals of a blooming flower.
There, the perfect hargao. Translucent, with 8 perfect pleats.
No, this part. Too fiddly. I can... Their technique is quite unique, yet effective.
Indeed. The steam rises, revealing the heart of the dumpling.
Oh, man.
Day.
Oh, Master, it looks wonderful.
When do we eat?
It is time. Please, dig in.
Everything looks wonderful, Master Panda. For the youngest, the first taste.
Wow, that is the best hargao I've ever made.
With each bite, we taste not just flavor,
And this pleat, you see, signifies prosperity. A very old recipe indeed.
This fold is for good fortune, see? A little tuck, then a press.
Indeed, the mountain region uses wild mushrooms.
Excellent work, my little chef. You're getting so fast.
I practice every day, Mama, just like you showed me.